That's Mike from Custom Cruises. Here we are, interested in upgrading your bike, bigger carburetors or better carburetors than the stock CV. Okay, you've got the industry standard, if you like, the old S&S. This is basically more of a drag racing car, to be honest with you, but it does work very well if you want high performance. Okay, this particular thing's a Super G. This is for your big 95 up motors. You know, a lot of S&S motors do use that, but to be honest with you, I personally prefer the Mikuni. You will need a new manifold if you've got an EFI bike. This is a way of using the old manifold if you've got the 2-bolt one, like your S&S, etc., or some of the stock older manifolds, the Evos. This is for a 45, this is for a 42. We also do 48s and 54s, believe it or not. But this particular carburetor is my favourite. This is the HSR 45. Very, very powerful bit of kit, giving you masses of power. Okay. S&S, you love them or you hate them. Personally, I think the Mikuni is way better fuel consumption, way better acceleration, but each to his own. If you're interested in any other performance upgrades, as you can see here, we've got S&S bottom ends. We've got shocks, really good high quality shocks. We've got second-hand motors, oil pump upgrades, easy billet. This one is an Ultima, and we've got twin cam. We've got 6-speed boxes. We've got second-hand motors. All your alternator upgrades, your brakes, because once you've made it go fast, you're going to need better brakes. Your offset kits, all your Fords, you know, pretty well you name it, air suspension, billet wheels, brake upgrades, more, as you can see, performance machine, billet pulleys, because your cast ones aren't that good. I mean, honestly, the stock pulleys will rip the belt in the end, and then you'll have to take all the primaries off, cost you about £1,000. It's way cheaper to put a billet primary in, a billet pulley in the first place, then you won't have that issue. But more FXR motor, this one. So if you're interested in any accessories for your bike, we got all your service items, S&S filters, drag, you name it, all your brake pads. Very good batteries, 5-year guarantee, big sucker air filters. Okay, give us a call, 01773 835 666. Alternatively, www.customcruises.com. If you do come, you will be surprised. We do keep a lot of stuff. Give us a call, 01773 835 666. www.customcruises.com. Thank you.